In today's short videos we have AdBlue dosing malfunctions with reduced power. Both are AdBlue pump faults, but in the second video it proves not every fault is electrical. So once I'd confirmed the customer's concern via the dip, I could then get Davey plugged in and identify the DTCs from the AdBlue system. As you can see, I had a short circuit to supply to the AdBlue pump. I've removed the offside front wing to gain access to the EAS harness. My plan was to test wire 59 from the ECU to this plug here to eliminate the short loom first, then I could move to the other EAS harnesses on the vehicle. But when I've identified wire 59 on the EAS harness end, I was presented with water ingress and high resistance. No wonder the pump module wasn't working. For the price of this short harness, it wasn't worth repairing the wiring and the pins. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, as it really does help the channel to get more people interested in this topic. From what little information I can find about wire 59, its function is a PWM temperature control wire, and if the AdBlue ECU doesn't receive constant data from the pump about the AdBlue temperature, it won't prime. So, I can't fix the pins in the ECU, so we have a new ECU going on, which wasn't mega expensive either. We did have some casualties along the way in the form of these clips which broke, so I had to change them out for shiny new yellow ones. Once this was all put back together, I could get Davey out and program the new blank ECU with the latest factory software. Lastly, we could check for AdBlue pump operation by running a prime test and confirming the pump meets the requirements of building up and maintaining 9 bar of AdBlue pressure, which it does. I was straight on to another job then after my break with another AdBlue fault. With Davey plugged in and the DTCs read, it was the usual case of was it the wiring or the component that had failed. These AdBlue pumps only run for so many hours before wearing out, so I had that in the back of my mind. You can usually hear its condition when failure is imminent. Pump modules failing to prime and pressure issues all point to low performing pumps. So off with the wing and tank cover to access the AdBlue pump. A 2-minute job until someone puts the steps in the way. I had a hunch what was wrong with this, and down to experience I was heading straight to the AdBlue tank pickup pipe, sender, stack pipe, whatever you want to call it. And as you can see, it's covered in AdBlue. DAF FADs are renowned for the pipes rubbing on the underside of the battery box, and this customer's vehicle was no exception. So this was no electrical fault or EAS pump issue. The pressure stability and failure to prime fault was the pipe drawing in air on the AdBlue inlet, as you can see from the pictures. The pipe fitment is idiot proof, as you can see, with the colour coded ends one end and the different size fittings on the other. You can't get these wrong, and to ensure this never happens again, I've covered the AdBlue pipes with rubber pipe for extra protection. I can now refit the tank and wing. If only I'd remembered the step needed to go on before the wing.
Ah, fuck.
So, to validate this repair, it's back on the Davey to test the AdBlue pump and to monitor the pump pressure. Then a quick spin down the road in it to ensure the correct operation of the AdBlue pump.